Hello, friends. This COVID 19 and this year 2020 is really throwing some unforeseen, unexpected, unprecedented challenges. And I always believe that whenever in life you are faced with such situations, it always brings out something special out of you and it carves out a special niche to your personality. Now, I'm specifically addressing to the challenge that all the students are facing for the professional courses of CA, CMA, CS, whereby the present exams which were due in May, June have been postponed to a future date and nobody knows whether it would actually materialize on those dates or whether it would actually materialize or eventually it would get cancelled and it would get merged with the next proposed exams. Here, when I got the calls from the students and they were confused as to whether they should continue with this attempt or they should think of directly going to the next attempt. Also, many students said that, sir, we are thinking of this attempt, but we are not able to focus, we are not able to concentrate, we are not able to work with that zeal and enthusiasm. See, dear students, I can understand your mental state. In fact, if I would have been in your condition, definitely I would have been going through the same thing. But let me share with you one very important aspect. When I used to study, which were actually very challenging times because we had no coaching, in fact, we did not even have any proper books, no one to guide, and though not having similar problems as what you are facing right now, but we also had different set of issues which were unique to our situation. But during facing those issues, I always had one approach which I would like to share with you, because this issue you are facing right now, maybe in future, once you are a professional or when you are at a higher level of exams or you are doing some other course, you may come across similar or any other issue. Then I think there has to be an approach. Normally I follow the simplest approaches. I put myself into the shoes of living legends and I try to think what would they have done in a similar situation. Now here I would recall the great warrior of all times, the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. If you go through his life story, challenges, troubles that he has gone through, and the most important thing, whatever he did was not for himself, it was for the country, it was for his fellow men. That increases my respect. In fact, I become a devotee of him for these reasons. And he has also gone through similar times when he was taken into captivity many times at some of his forts because he was surrounded by some enemy army, or when he was in Agra, actually he was taken into captivity. And the most important thing which I relate with his situation is that he himself did not know at that time what would happen next as what we are facing. Also, he did not know when the final judgmental date would come, when the actual action would happen. If you recall that story, he actually, when he escaped from Agra, or for that matter, in fact, when he was captivated at his own forts at different times, when he escaped from there, at that time, the timing was never known. It was always a wait and watch game, which I think we also are going through. Now, what would be his mindset at that time? If I keep myself in his shoes and I try to find an answer to present situation, I always give a very, very, very correct and a practical solution. What he would have been doing, whether he would have given up, definitely the answer is no, or else he would not have been what he is today. Secondly, would he lose his focus? No. In fact, he would always be, even though it is a waiting game, many times it would have happened that his fellow men would have said ki Maharaj, we would escape on this day, or we would try to find out some solution on this day, but on the last moment they would come and say no, because of some new developments from the other side, some security has been increased or some other developments have come, we'll have to postpone this date. And when would be the next date is not known. What he would have done, even though he was preparing for that particular date, the moment the date got shifted, he would have again gone back to the basics. He would have sat down. He would have gone back to a normal routine, whatever it is, maybe daily exercise, maybe daily meditation, and also sharpening his tools and being vigilant, being active, and being more focused to keep himself on toes, not losing his confidence or his temperament or his focus, because losing any of these things would be eventually mean losing his life and his biggest dream of Swaraj for the country and the countrymen. So if I put myself in his shoes, I get the answer what I have to do. See, I'll tell you one most important thing. Why I am giving his example? Because he, and like him, many other warriors, many other freedom fighters of those times have gone through such unprecedented challenges, and they have emerged successful. They have emerged as warriors. Maybe many of them would have laid down their lives for the country, fighting for the country, but still they are an inspiration for us, still they are a legend for us. Still, I, as I said, I'm a devotee of these people. Why? Because of their fight. And that is why I'm always moved by such stories of living legends. I have only learned the most important rule from them, that you have to be a warrior at all times. And for such unprecedented, unexpected, unknown circumstances, what would happen next? Just put yourself in his shoes. You are captivated in Agra and you have to freak out, you have to sneak out, but you don't know when. So how, what he would be doing? It was a wait and watch game like what we are going through, and what he would have done and what he did is what we have to do. And remember the last thing, when you will get through all this, you who are going through this particular phase, who would be giving exams in this particular phase in whatever manner, whether this attempt or because of postponement the next attempt, whatever it is, you would be creating a history. You would be becoming an example for the students to come tomorrow. Neither we nor anybody in future would be equal to you or would be at the same war footing what you are. So you all are special, and this attempt, whenever it happens, however it happens, in whatever conditions you have to go to the exam center, obviously with all the precautions, will be a very, very special chapter in your life, and you would become the next example. In fact, for me also, you all are going to be a very, very special case study and examples which I would be giving to all other students in the coming batches in future. Thank you. Take care.